Hi, this is Dr. Iver. I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just Jaime? And to that I say, Julius Winfield Irving II can be Dr. J, if Andre Romel Young can be Dr. Dre, and if Philip Calvin McGraw can be Dr. Phil, then yes, Jaime Mojica Montes can be Dr. Ivor. So, as I was saying, Dr. Ivor here. Do you live in Phoenix? Are you ready to get your driving permit? Well, whether you live in Anthem, Buckeye, Surprise, Apache Junction, Queen Creek, or even in Santan Valley, we have you covered. From the West Valley to the East Valley, North Phoenix to Southeast, Stop and Go Driving School has been serving the entire Phoenix area since 1997. And wherever you are on this map, you could see we have drivers throughout the Phoenix Valley ready to come to you to assist you to get your driver's license. But here's where it gets really good. I'm giving away completely free a full I'm giving away completely free a full enrollment. I can't say enrollment, a full enrollment to our permit prep class. That's right, $0 free on me, Dr. Iver. Here's how to enter. Pay close attention because there are 4 steps. 1. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, wherever that is. Step 2, follow us on TikTok at Dr. Iver01, dr.iver01. Step 3, and this is one of my favorites, just find me, and then when you see me, record the moment as you walk up to me and say, "Hey, Dr. Iver, I want to get my driving permit." And step 4, if you're a minor, just make sure you have a parent or guardian present that permits you to record and allows us to post it on all our platforms. Because trust me, we will post it. And listen, whether you win this giveaway or not, if you already have your permit and you are ready to get behind the wheel, we are ready for you. Go to stopandgo1.com right now to enroll and book your first lesson. Gold package, silver package, bronze package. We have options for every family and every budget. Our instructors are MVD certified, fingerprint cleared, and genuinely passionate about getting you safely on the road. And if you are under 16 and just getting started, that is okay too. We will build your foundation now so that when you are ready to test, you are more than prepared. So, Phoenix, all of Phoenix, subscribe, follow, and find me. And let's get your permit. I'm Dr. Iver, prescribing you safe travels on no matter what road life takes you. Dr. Iver may or may not be a real doctor.